Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for treestuff.com, and this is a SENA installed arborist helmet. These are notch hookups, a revolutionary new earmuff by Notch specifically for SENA installations. You see the wire sticking out here? That's part of the magic. We'll crack this hygiene component off here, and when we look inside, we're gonna see that this has a SENA integrated speaker built into the earmuff. The wire exits from a grommet, which is awesome because now there's a noise reduction rating on this whole system. Put the hygiene component back on, and we can look, we see the wire actually travels through the extendable articulating armature. How cool is that? Let's go ahead, snap this onto our helmet. Boom, take the other one, boom. Now we got two earmuffs installed. I'm gonna flip them to the front because I wanna show you this. See how the wire exits right here? There's no wire out here to service the orbit, right? So you don't have that huge loop of wire. All you have to do is take the wire that exits from your SENA unit. Paying attention, there's a little V-shaped groove in the top here. And if you look at this on one side, you can see that V-shaped indicator right there. So I'm gonna carefully make sure that's wrong. I'm gonna see if this is the right way. I'm gonna go ahead and just wiggle that in there like that. Flip it around to the other side. Same deal, check for that little arrow. Nice, seamless, simple connection, and that's it. My SENA Work 4 is installed into my notch hookups. What I would definitely recommend, take this wire, bring it underneath here, a couple little zip ties, and you can tighten this up nice and neat, make a really clean install yourself in just a few minutes. That's the notch hookups, the first noise reduction rated, fully integral system that utilizes the helmet mounted SENA systems. Check it out at treestuff.com. Thanks for watching.